Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Trello with Google Calendar. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your Trello account. And then on the upper right corner of the screen, you want to click on the three dot icon. From here, you want to choose Power Ups. Then you want to search for Google Calendar. So just type it here and then hit enter. And then from here, you'll have several options. Now, what you want to do is you want to look at the most enabled Google Calendar or power-ups on boards. As you can see, these two are enabled on more than 50,000 boards. So you can choose either this one or this one. So once you've chosen which power-ups you're going to use, just go ahead and click Add. Then click Add again. And as you can see, this is already enabled on my Trello board. Now to turn this off, just click on settings and there should be a disable option right over here. And that's it. Now you know how to connect Trello with Google Calendar. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.